Kagoshima, Japan, Sakurajima Volcano erupts, sending massive ash plume into the sky. Early Sunday morning, one of Japan's most active volcanoes, Sakurajima, in Kagoshima Prefecture, southwestern Japan, erupted violently, sending a towering plume of ash and smoke up to 4,400 meters, approximately 14,400 feet, into the atmosphere, according to the Japan Meteorological Agency, JMA. The eruption, which occurred in the early hours of the day, marks the first time since October 18th of last year that the volcano has produced such a high plume. The eruption originated from the Minamidake crater, the volcano's main vent, at around 12:57 a.m. local time. Following the initial explosion, volcanic activity continued intermittently, prompting meteorological authorities to issue ashfall forecasts for Kagoshima, Kumamoto, and Miyazaki prefectures. Officials have emphasized that residents and travelers should remain cautious, particularly in areas where ashfall could affect daily activities, traffic, and air quality. Despite the intensity of the eruption, no injuries or structural damage have been reported so far. The local authorities continue to monitor the situation closely. Large volcanic rocks, some of which were thrown as far as the fifth station of the volcano, were observed, though importantly, no pyroclastic flows, fast-moving currents of hot gas and volcanic matter, have been detected, which significantly reduces the immediate danger to surrounding communities. The volcanic alert level for Sakurajima remains at level 3 on a 5-point scale, meaning access to the mountain is restricted. Local authorities advise residents and tourists to avoid entering areas near the crater. Sakurajima is an iconic and historically active volcano located in Kagoshima Bay, on the southwestern island of Kyushu. Interestingly, Sakurajima was originally a separate island, but a massive lava flow in 1914 connected it to the Osumi Peninsula, forming a natural land bridge. Over the decades, it has become a symbol of both natural beauty and volcanic power in Japan. Volcanic activity in Sakurajima is closely monitored due to its potential impact on nearby urban areas. Kagoshima City, with a population of over 600,000 people, lies just a few kilometers away, making the region particularly vulnerable to ashfall and other volcanic hazards. Authorities have activated emergency response teams, and aviation authorities are monitoring air traffic for potential disruptions due to the ash plume. Experts note that eruptions from Sakurajima are relatively frequent, occurring almost every few weeks in smaller explosions. However, when larger eruptions like Sunday's event occur, they can pose significant risks. Volcanologists continue to study the volcano to better understand its behavior and to improve early warning systems for residents in the surrounding prefectures. As the situation develops, the public is advised to stay updated through official sources and to follow safety guidelines to minimize exposure to volcanic ash, which can irritate the eyes, skin, and respiratory system. Residents are also reminded to protect water sources, cover crops, and clean up ash carefully, as ash accumulation can affect daily life even if direct damage is minimal. Sakurajima's latest eruption serves as a stark reminder of the powerful geological forces at play in Japan, a country situated along the Pacific Ring of Fire, where tectonic activity frequently gives rise to earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions.